Alright, so in this video, I want to show you how you can create a landing page, any kind of landing page or a squeeze page using your new website and Thrive Architect that I'll send you for free and install it for free if you just message me. All you gotta do is just pick up Liquid Web, pick up Autoresponder, and I will send you the page builder for free, so you don't have to pay for it monthly and you don't have to pay for ClickFunnels or anything like that. So once you log in, okay, you will get a login information for your WordPress. You install the plugin. All you gotta do, go to plugin and add new, and then you just upload the plugin and pick a file right here and click on install now. It's a that simple process, okay? Then you go to pages. You click on add new page, and this is going to create a new page on your brand new website. So you add a title, and let me just add like testing website for advanced training. You hit publish, so the website is live, and now your pretty much page is done. Now we need to just edit it to make sure it's going to look as we want. However, the link for this website, for this page, is right here. It's called permalink. You can edit it right here. So instead of testing website for advanced training, it's going to be like secret one, okay? And we just click on OK. And now when you click here, it's going to open up, and this is our website so far. So our page, okay, our landing page. Doesn't look pretty, but we are going to change it right now. So you click on update once again to make sure the permalink is set up, and we go to launch Thrive Architect, and it's going to open up the plugin. And now I want to give you a quick walkthrough of how to create basic page with the plugin, so when you will need to create any kind of page for your promotion, you will know how to do it. Okay, it's pretty much a drag and drop page builder. So on the left side, you have elements and element details. So when you select any kind of element, on the left side is where you can actually edit it, okay? And on the right side, you have a couple of settings, like landing page settings right here. If you need to change some codes, add tracking codes, you go to advanced settings, you go to, advanced settings, page events, not really. Oh yeah, so you go to here, right here, so page source HTML, that's where you add your codes. Then there's like change template. This is where you can use any of the preloaded templates that come with Thrive Architect, which is really cool, so you don't have to create them from scratch. And then on the plus sign are all the elements that you can use, okay? So there's like text, image, button, column, background section, content. There's a lot of them, okay? You want to scroll through them and check out how each of these works and kind of get a feel of them, because you are just adding these elements on the website, and it's like a drag and drop page builder. You don't have to code anything. It's literally just drag and drop. So let me show you two things that you can do. You can either go to templates from this little cloud icon right here, and you can like use a blank template and create a page right here. This is what I usually do because I know how to use this page builder. I like to create my own landing pages. So let me show you how to create a very simple one. So this is something that you can also use yourself. So you just get a text element, put it in the middle, and let's say we're going to do a promotion for 30 profits that you will understand later on in the training. But let me give you a headline right here. So how I made $111.54 using a simple $1 system. Okay, so now we have a headline right here. Okay, it might not really look very nice, but what we can do right now is make it look nice. So we center the text, we make it bigger, and let's add the break right there, and let's use a little bit of spacing, not that one. You go to layout and position. You can see there's a lot of options right here. Just go through them and you will realize you don't really need to use all of them, just a couple of them. Like layout and position is to make sure your text is in the right place. Main options are pretty much the main options for each element that you're most likely to change, and anything after that is just some fancy things you don't really need to use, but they are there so you can customize every single detail. So let me go to main options and let me highlight this part, make it bold. Let's just make this part bold, and let's make it red, and let's also underline it. Okay, and let's move it right here so it's not right at the top, and now I have a simple headline. Okay, so I'm going to close the element section. This is my page so far. Okay, it doesn't really look nice, but what I can do is I add like a video below that or an image right here, and I can select any of the images right here. Let's use this one. It's on the left. I don't want it to be on the left, so I'm going to go to the elements, the section, alignment, go to the center, so layout and position, then main options and image effects. I don't really use image effects. Let's go with main options, and let me just make it a little bit smaller. So that's my landing page. It looks much better right now because there's a headline and then there's like a text, there's a proof image, and below that, if somebody lands here, they can't really do anything. If they like this system, they would like to use it, what are they supposed to do? They need to click on a button, right? So I'm going to add a button below the image. What I can do again is either style all the details myself or use any of the style that's preloaded right here. So let me use this one, or actually let's use like this one. And let's make the width like this, 40%, which looks nice. And then I click on the text and add like yes, click here to continue. And I'm going to make the text bold, okay? So now when people want to continue, this is where they do that. And if I click on the button, I can add target URL right here. So this is what is going to be your affiliate link. For now, I'm just going to add my personal website here. So that's it. Okay, any HTML, nothing. You don't really need to change anything. You just can like change the color of the button. And if you play around with it for a long time, you will realize it's very simple and you can customize any details. So very simple landing page, very good to use with Facebook traffic or any kind of other traffic. And if I click save and exit, now I'm going to land on the page so I can also share it. Okay, so this is my page that I have just created. So it's very simple to create it. You just add the elements. For these basic pages, you just need like 3 or 4 elements to add like a text, add like an image, add like a button, or add a video. And if you want to change it, just click on right here, edit with Thrive Architect. And we can add even more elements, okay? Like I want to add some text below the button. I just add the text below the button. I'm going to change the layout position so it's not starting right from the left side. I'm going to click on the text and layout and position, make sure it's in center, and width I'm going to change it to % and to like this. It's like 60 or 50%. Okay, and now I can add here like what is 30-minute profits. 30-minute profits is a brand new, completely done for you system designed to generate you commissions online with just a couple of clicks. It's a beginner friendly method that uses 100% free traffic and requires no further investment. Okay, so something like this, and then I can make this headline bigger. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go to text, font size, make it bigger, or yes, so like this, and make it bold. So like a quick question and answers. Okay, so it's beginner friendly system, whatever I wrote there. Anyways, this is how you create this, and you can add like multiple of these elements. Then you can also duplicate the button, move it below, so when somebody is scrolling they might lose the button, and now it's right here. You can also add an image, so something like this. So I'm add an image of myself to like sign off or something like that. So let's make it smaller and add it in the main into center. So now the page has some kind of a structure. So pretty much there's a headline, button, some text, some button, and some image. Now I'm going to save it and save and exit, and this is my landing page. So this is how simple it is to create one. Okay, so very simple, and this is how you can create any kind of landing page. So when you're going to do a promotion for 30-minute profits, which I'm going to show you how to do in the next videos, this is how you create a landing page for any kind of structure. So if you made like $50 in 24 hours, you can just put it right here. If you make $200 with like no effort, you can just put it right here. This is where you put your results. This is a button that's going to go through your own affiliate link. The text right here where you can put something like how I was able to do that, what is your background, where did you come from, and you can add your picture and all that kind of stuff. So this is how you do it. Just simple drag and drop, play around with it, and this is how you create a nice looking landing page.